Hello, my beautiful babies. Welcome to Core Language. I am Mrs. Obaze, and we are going to have fun. But before we start, let's know the ground rules. Always wear your face masks anywhere you go. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, face, and mouth with unwashed hands. Always wash your hands regularly. In today's lessons, we are going to be talking about the red ants. Lee the sheep had a bad week last week. Red ants beat him on his legs and feet. Scott had to sweep the ants with his hand to get rid of them. This story is talking about Lee the sheep, Scott, and red ants. Lee the sheep was in serious pain because red ants beat him. And Scott was very angry at the red ants because Lee the sheep is his pet. So Scott was really angry about how Lee the sheep felt. And Lee the sheep had a bad week. Alright, let's continue the story. Scott was mad at the ants. Ants, he said, Lee is a sweet sheep. Feel free to munch on plants and weeds, but not on Lee. I'll repeat that again. Scott was mad at the ants. Ants, he said, Lee is a sweet sheep. Feel free to munch on plants and weeds, but not on Lee. One of the ants said, we feel bad. We will not munch on Lee. We will munch on plants and weeds. So that was what the red ants was all about. When Scott saw that Lee had a bad week, he was angry at the red ants and he told the red ants, why did you feed on Lee? So now we are going to answer the question on the story. Okay, like I said, every story has questions. And we are here now to answer the questions. Why was Lee's week bad? Red ants beat Lee. That was why Lee's week was bad. So tick that on your workbook. Now let's move over to number 2. Scott swept the ants from Lee with dash. Scott swept the ants from Lee with his hand. So tick the second box. That is the correct answer. Alright, let's move over. Scott said dash. Scott said munch on plants and weeds, but not on Lee. Today was very exciting learning about a story and answering the question. I hope you had a good time. Now, bye. See you in our next class.